Why being a strong brand in your home market means nothing in the MENA region. Many global brands enter the Middle East with strong numbers, loyal customers, and proven systems. On paper, success looks transferable. But the Middle East doesn't test your past. It tests your adaptability. And that's where strong brands often break. Every year, successful brands from the US, Europe, and Australia enter the Middle East full of confidence. And many of them quietly fail in less than 24 months. A European coffee chain opens 5 locations in 18 months. By month 20, 3 are closed. Gone. Just like that. Not because the market is weak, but because their strategy is. An Australian fitness franchise sells 4 territories in 12 months. Within 2 years, half have shut down. Not because the market is weak, but because their strategy is. The Middle East is one of the fastest growing consumer markets in the world. Demand is strong, spending is real, opportunity is massive. But here's the truth, most brands don't hear early enough. Reputation doesn't travel, adaptability does. And if your expansion strategy is based only on success in your home country, you're already at risk. These are the 3 reasons strong brands struggle in the Middle East. 1. They misread early demand. Opening buzz is not market validation. Long lines, social media hype, grand opening crowds can disappear in 60 days. A smoothie brand opens in Dubai Mall, sells out for 2 weeks. By month 3, foot traffic drops 65%. Because curiosity is temporary, sustainable demand is structural. 2. They expand at the wrong speed. Confidence from the home market creates dangerous urgency. Stores open too fast. Territories are sold too early. Systems are stretched too thin. And growth without operational depth becomes a cash burn with no return. 3. They underestimate market complexity. MENA is not one market. It's multiple regulatory systems, cultures, consumer behaviors, and cost structures, operating under one regional label. A pricing model that works in Riyadh crashes in Cairo because purchasing power is 40% lower. Treating MENA as a single expansion move is where strategic discipline disappears. And it's what separates the brands that scale from the ones that burn through capital in 2 years. The Middle East doesn't reward confidence. It rewards readiness. And the brands that win here are not always the biggest at home. They're the ones disciplined enough to re-earn success locally. Because in the Middle East, strength is not imported, it's rebuilt. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.